KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video for Sunday, January 12th, 2020. I'm Scott Martin sitting in for Bill Murray. We will be dry today, but rain chances return late this afternoon and will simply not leave until midway through next weekend. More on that in just a moment. As of 7:05 this morning, we have some clouds over central Alabama, along with some fog over the east and southeastern parts of the area. The good news is that we are all dry at this point. Temperatures are starting off much cooler than what we saw just 24 hours ago, mainly in the mid-40s to the lower 50s. Birmingham was at 45 degrees. A few locations were down to 44 degrees as the cool spots, while Troy was the warm spot at 52 degrees. Taking a look at the hazards map, we see that there are dense fog advisories up for a good portion of central Alabama and all of southwest Alabama, along with the western parts of the Florida Panhandle and the extreme southeastern parts of Mississippi. No severe weather is expected across the area for today, but we do see that there may be some thunder in the southern half as the rain is expected to return later today as a warm front approaches from the south. Speaking of rain, here are the latest rainfall projections showing that from now through next Sunday morning, we could see 1 to 2 inches across much of the area with slightly higher localized amounts. Now, time to dive into the models, and we'll start off with the 06Z run of the GFS valid today at noon. We'll have drier and cooler conditions across central Alabama, with skies becoming partly cloudy for much of the area by the afternoon hours. Unfortunately, the cold front that worked through yesterday will start to return to the north as a warm front. That will bring a chance of rain to the southern half of the area during the late afternoon and early evening hours, and to nearly all of the area for the overnight hours. Highs will be in the upper 50s to around 70 degrees from northwest to southeast. On Monday, we'll have periods of rain throughout the entire day as the warm front continues to work northward into the area before becoming stationary across the southern half. There might be just enough instability for a few claps of thunder, but no severe weather is expected. Highs will be in the mid-60s to the mid-70s. On Tuesday, much of the same, as we'll continue to have unsettled weather due to the warm front starting to move northward again across the area. Rain will be likely at times with a few claps of thunder. Highs will top out in the upper 60s to the upper 70s. On Wednesday, a cold front will be heading in our direction from the west that will help to push out much of the moisture, but we'll have to put up with some showers and thunderstorms. A few of these may be strong as there looks to be some surface-based instability across the area. Highs will be in the 70s. On Thursday, after the cold front has moved through the area, we do continue to see our weather stay a little unsettled. We'll continue to have a small chance of showers and thunderstorms mainly over the northern half of the area, and we'll have to watch to see if any of these could become strong, as we'll continue to have some instability in place. Highs will be in the lower 60s to the mid-70s. On Friday, a combination of high pressure off to our northeast and a low gathering strength with an approaching cold front out of the west will continue to keep rain in our forecast. Coverage at this point looks to be scattered at best over the northern and northeastern parts of the area. Highs will be in the mid-60s to the lower 70s. On Saturday, the cold front will move throughout the day, bringing rain and maybe a clap of thunder to central Alabama. At this point, it doesn't have a severe weather look, as there just doesn't look to be enough instability. Plus, the dynamics will be far off to the north, as the low will be located over the Great Lakes region. Rain will move out late in the day, and finally, the rain chances come to an end. Highs will be in the lower 60s to the lower 70s. Taking a small step into voodoo land for next Sunday, the GFS shows central Alabama being nice and dry, and we'll finally see a good bit of sunshine. Highs look to be in the lower 60s to the lower 70s. That will wrap it up for today's Weather Xtreme video. James Spann will have the next video out on Monday morning. I'm Scott Martin signing off for today. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.